Hey there, please don't mind the messy floor as we have this in our milk house. And I wanted to kind of give you an unpacking of the freeze dryer. So it comes with 3 trays. You have extra fuses. Those are just some caps. Here's your door. So you can kind of see how this does not come out. It just kind of stays in there, the trays. And then you just lock it. And like I said, these are the size of the trays. So not very big. And then here's the pump. And here's where you put your oil in. You can kind of see where your oil's at. You have your drain. I did have to hook on this hose to there. And then as far as power, you have where your pump is coming into the back of the unit, and then here's your power cord that just goes into 110. So there's kind of a quick demonstration of this freeze dryer. And in the manual, it does give you instructions on how to, turn it on and use it and different things like that. I did not find a lot of information on food, so that's something that you're gonna have to look more into. But this is what I see on my end. And then you can flip through these different options here and things like that.